Welcome guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can find your LG Tone FP9. Okay, so first of all, you have to be previously connected with your LG Tone application, your phone and the earbuds. And when you are connected and you lost, like for example, the left earbud, in the application you will find this option, Find My Earbuds. You have to select this option and then click to play left sound. I mean sound from the left earbud. And right now we can find the beep sound on our earbud. I'm gonna put it a little bit closer to the microphone. So this feature is definitely useful when you lose your earbud, for example in your house, on in your, I don't know, classroom. But when you're outside, there is like a small chance that you will hear that beeps outside on the street, for example, or wherever you are. So yeah, that's how it works. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments, and of course subscribe to our channel.